Imagine never having to cook, wait in line at the grocery store, or even think about your next meal. Instead, you just step into the sunlight, close your eyes, and let your body turn sunbeams into breakfast. Sounds like something out of a comic book, right? But let's dive in. How close could we actually get to photosynthesizing like a plant? First, let's break down what photosynthesis really is. Plants are basically tiny solar panels. They use chlorophyll, the stuff that makes them green, to capture sunlight. With a dash of carbon dioxide from the air and some water, they whip up sugar for energy and release oxygen as a bonus. It's a brilliant little system, except plants can't move, don't have brains, and can't exactly run to the store for a snack. So what would it take for humans to join the leafy club? We'd need to borrow some plant hardware, specifically chloroplasts. Imagine if our skin cells were loaded with these little green factories. Maybe we'd look a bit like walking houseplants. Emerald skin, anyone? But hey, there's a problem. Our bodies aren't designed for sunlight the way plants are. We'd need serious genetic upgrades like UV protection built right in, or risk turning into crispy kale chips every summer. And here's the big catch: energy. Even if you covered yourself head to toe in super-powered chloroplasts, you'd barely make enough sugar to fuel a light stroll, let alone power your brain through a full day. Plants can get away with being lazy, but humans? Not so much. But let's say we figure it out. No more eating, just endless sunbathing. You'd see people lying on rooftops soaking up rays instead of napping. Our fashion game might shift to show off that trendy green glow. Yet the side effects? Hunger wouldn't go away, just change. No more pizza nights, no chocolate cake, only the buzz of sunlight in your veins. Plus all that UV exposure? Yikes. Zooming out, imagine the world. Farms replaced by sun farms on every rooftop, cities full of green-skinned sunbathers. Maybe hunger disappears, but maybe new conflicts emerge between those who photosynthesize and those who stick to burgers and fries. Here's the real question. If you never had to eat again, would you miss food? Would family dinners and late-night snacks still matter? Or would we lose something uniquely human, our connection to each other, and the rituals that shape our lives? Turning sunlight into lunch may be sci-fi for now, but it makes me wonder, are we chasing efficiency or losing the things that make being human so delicious?